Let's go back. First it was this one down here. See it? And I think, maybe these are birds. Maybe these are birds. Right? Then I saw that one. Wait, you gotta see what it does though. Hold on. Sorry. I know this is like, hold on. Wait. Dang, I'm giving it away. Okay, here we go. I'll have it focused. Okay. Here we go. Right here. Oh no. Is it over here? No, yeah, right here. Okay. So this is what caught my attention. See it? Or maybe you won't see it. Look. I'm like, maybe that's a bird. Right? Oh, what? What? What happened? Oh, man. And this one's just sitting there. I don't think birds do that. Alright, I'm just gonna do it one more time. One more time. I'll try to get all of them. Okay, first that one. Damn it. First, this one down here. That's the first one. I was like, oh, that bird just went right out of view, you know? Let's see. Crazy bird. Look at that bird. Just went right out of view like that on me. See? That's what I did. And I was like, oh, wait, it's still over there. See? And then I was like, look, there's another bird. Oh, man. And then I was like, oh gosh, there's so many birds. But that one did that.